Hello, I just wanted to reach out to everybody about the Riese and Müller Packster 70 return and refund. So those of you that don't know, Riese and Müller, one of the most respected e-bike manufacturers in the world, they have recalled all of their new e-cargo bike model. So basically, there's been a safety concern with the with this kind of new technology for steering that they've integrated, and they've decided to take them all off the road. Now, what that means is anyone that's bought one since they came out, which was around November, December 2020, anyone that's bought one can bring them back to their dealer anywhere in the world that they bought it from, and they will get a 100% refund of what they paid for the bike. Now, on top of that, you will also get 15% discount off a new Riese and Müller. Riese and Müller is hardly ever discounted, so you're going to get 15% off a new model. We have over 50 cargo bikes in stock in our new cargo bike showroom. So people like me that would be devastated at the thought of not being able to, drop the kids to school using their cargo bike, won't be off the road too long, and they can use that 15% discount as a kind of grant towards their own method of transport during the time they're waiting for a new bike. We're particularly proud of the way that Riese and Müller have handled this. There hasn't been an incident, there hasn't been a major crash or anything, but they've just kind of put their hands up and said, right, we're concerned and we're going to give everyone a full refund. So we are extremely proud to represent a brand like that. And that's why we choose to work with the small number of brands we do, because we know them personally. I know the founders and the directors of Riese and Müller. I know that they have their integrity attacked with any situation, and it really comes to show at a time like this. So if there's anything we can do, if anyone has any questions about it, please get in touch. We'll be updating our blog posts and social media regularly. And please get in touch with our team, and we can help. And if we need to send our electric van out to collect it for you, we can arrange that. Just let us know what we can do to help. Thank you.